Toyo continues to improve and impress with its full product line of premium tires for light trucks, SUVs, cars, and vans. The Toyo Proxes line of performance tires are designed to optimize anyone's ride experience. One example within the Toyo Proxes family is the Proxes Sport AS+, an ultra-high-performance, all-season passenger tire that brings wet traction improvements in addition to existing impressive dry traction performance. An optimized asymmetric tread design delivers consistent performance throughout the tire's life. The new tread compound levels up performance in wet conditions and lowers rolling resistance to improve fuel and range efficiencies for EVs. An added bonus is the new tread compound delivers improved tread life over its predecessor. Designed for sport coupes and sedans, along with some sport SUVs and crossovers, the Toyo Proxes Sport AS+ provides the improved handling characteristics owners of these types of vehicles come to expect. How much do we know you love these tires? Backed by an impressive treadwear warranty and a 30-day trial offer. That's how much. The Toyo Proxes Sport AS+ is a great-looking tire, ready to impress any driver. There's even more to this tire that we'd like to show you that we know you'll appreciate.